Wishing you a very happy day. This is Harshit Sharma, and here is my AI project on physics of semiconductors. Certificate. In this project, several topics have been covered out of which there are semiconductor fundamentals, doping, p-n junction diode, diode equations, Zener diodes, and LEDs. A little bit introduction of semiconductors. Conductors which allow electricity to flow through them, insulators which do not allow electricity to flow through them, semiconductors, materials whose conductivity lies between those of conductors and insulators. Semiconductors have following qualities and examples. Material whose properties are such that it is not quite a conductor nor quite an insulator. Some common semiconductors are elemental silicon, germanium, compound gallium arsenide, gallium phosphide, aluminum arsenide, aluminum phosphide, and indium phosphide. Here are some pictorial views. Crystalline solids. In crystalline nature of silicon. Intrinsic nature of silicon. Crystalline structure of semiconductors. Crystalline structure of semiconductors continued. Conduction in crystal lattice. Energy band diagram in semiconductors. Difference between insulators, semiconductors, and conductors. Electron hole pairs. Doping and conduction. Doping and conduction continued. Diffusion of dopants. Ion implantation of dopants. Hole and electron concentrations. Doping. The N in N-type stands for negative. A column V ion is inserted. The extra valence electron is free to move about the lattice. The P in P-type stands for positive. Column 3 ion is inserted. Electron from the surrounding silicon moved to fill the hole. There are two types of doping. Energy band diagram. Continue. Band gap. Certain band gaps are also given here. Counter doping. p-n junction. p-n junction continued. Some diagrams of p-n junction diode. Depletion layer formation. Biasing the p-n junction diode. forward biasing, in which P type is connected to higher voltage and N type is connected to comparatively lower voltage. Diagram. Reverse bias. N type is connected to positive terminal of higher voltage and P type is connected to relatively lower voltage. Diagram. PN junction VI characteristics. PN junction VI graph. The ideal diode conditions: positive voltage yields finite current, negative voltage yields zero current. The ideal diode equations: semiconductor diode open region, semiconductor diode cutoff region, semiconductor diode closed region, Zener effect, LED, or we can say light emitting diode. Here is a pictorial view. Thank you. I hope you will like this PPT. This is prepared by Harshit Sharma of class 12th of School Translam Academy International. Thank you. Have a nice day.